Hello, this is Chanel with WTI. Welcome to the backside of my husband's gaming monitor. This North Bayou desk stand holds up this monitor from the desk and it works so well. My husband is a very organized person. This monitor stand has a perfect place to put cords running along through the backside of the desk. Because of course, you know, with any gaming setup or TV setup or anything like that, you're gonna have cords all over the place, and this has a nice spot just for the cords themselves to keep them nice and together and not all over the desk itself. It attaches to the desk very easily. It was simple to install. My husband was able to do it himself. The range of movement that this gives is really great because it works with any kind of gaming setup. He's able to pull it closer, pull it further, raise it up or down, tilt any way he needs it. It comes in handy with the different uses that you need the monitor for. That is why this North Bayou stand really works for us and we love using it, and that is my point of view.